If you want to add 3D effects into your wallpaper on the Pixel 10 Pro, then you have to start by opening your Google Files and go into the picture that you want to use. So in my case, that will be this one. And now simply click to set Use As and go to the Photos wallpaper on the left bottom corner. Now go to the effects, and as you can see over here, we have to go for the weather, or we can download the cinematic effects. And now that will be fog. Take a look. We can even set strength for this filter, rain, snow, sun effect, which looks like this, and also change its animation. And as I said before, there's also this 3D motion that we can add by downloading the cinematic. And if you want to add this, you have to click on the marker in the right upper corner and apply those changes.